with the foundation of blockchain and reaping on the advantages of decentralized finance, i.e., DeFi. Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet with a veritable state sharding plan for common-sense versatility, taking out energy and computational waste while guaranteeing circulated reasonableness through a protected evidence of stake (SPOS) agreement system. This exceptional element connotes that information connected with exchanges will generally get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with the dramatic speed of exchanges. Allow us to dissect the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020. Having serious areas of strength for and on security, Elrond network is worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currencies, chiefly for its local token, EGLD, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed scaling, a pinnacle of $200 without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers authorization-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy advancement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of EGLD tokens as impetuses in executing brilliant agreement charges and move reserves. The most significant elements that push the cost of Elrond are the speed and moderateness that empower faster enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. EGLD, the ups and downs, the jewels and crowns. At present, the Elrond, EGLD, cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight transitory revision throughout recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a circling supply of 21,694,175 EGLD. A ton can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the remedy stage, and in no less than a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparative patterns and bends went on till 2017. In December, the EGLD cost shot up, trailed by a cost remedy in 2018 summers. The languid stage went on for the digital money, and the option of EGLD added a leap forward. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform as the EGLD token was recorded on the well-known trade. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts reported by the designers through survey advertisements for cash. Raising the toast to a memorable $177, the coin got forward movement. The retreating period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a consistent bullish push. Despite the fact that put in a profoundly unstable universe of digital forms of money, positive variables like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly crucial part in impacting ventures. The essential target of the Elrond Group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, security. Tracking down harmony in both could be an extreme test. In view of a coherent calculation, Elrond, EGLD, has both transient meetings and possible long-haul benefits. In view of the Elrond EGLD cost expectation and our own exploration, the EGLD coin might reach $184.420 continuously's end. In view of the Elrond cost conjecture done by Wallet Financial Backer, EGLD's cost is supposed to arrive at a characteristic of $252.588 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.274 following 5 years. EGLD is a daring venture to exchange and one of the quickly developing portions. It is a greater number of bulls than bears. As per the expectations, it isn't publicity that it would cross another high around the $248.49 mark by 2023, bringing about a beneficial venture. Elrond, EGLD, could become triple from the ongoing cost level in 6 years, say by 2026. It ought to have a reasonable meeting around $250.40 to $310.60, and it will enlist another unsurpassed high in the long haul. one's ongoing venture may be worth in the year 2026. Despite the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. To put it authentically, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed. Albeit the fundamental explanation is as yet unclear, there is news that might be because of engineers pronouncing their mechanical progression, and a limited time occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing incorporated, blockchain, network protection and expression, and all the more significantly a reality. According to the Verifiable Information and Specialized Investigation, since November 2021, the cost was showing revision. In spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the principal 7-day stretch of April 2022. Yet, after that the cost again fell. In the event that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern soon. Elrond Value Forecasts, 2022 to 2026. Elrond Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for a cryptographic money market, Elrond is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a huge push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling $217.82. As per the EGLD cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and least cost to $192.35. Elrond Value Expectation 2023. As per our Elrond cost forecasts specialists, these elements can help the symbolic increase a lot greater cost of $248.49 and least cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69. If the drive for practical crypto market go on into 2023, the EGLD cost might try and see a worldview rush. These costs show more development than that of Elrond cost forecast 2022. Elrond Value Expectation 2024. There may be slight rectification saw in the year 2024 when contrasted with 2023. There are suppositions by our Elrond EGLD cost expectation specialists its base worth could reach $192.64. Most extreme cost might reach $285.44 and normal cost of Elrond to $224.81. The blessing is finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial back